Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduke, and this is tip number 241, Field Markup on Forms. In tip 239, I talked about using your browser developer tools to inspect the markup that Power Pages provides. This is especially useful when writing custom JavaScript for Power Pages forms. In this tip, we'll look at the markup used by common field types on the form. When you inspect a field on the form, typically you'll see it is contained within a single table cell, or TD element. Within that TD, typically you'll have two divs, one for the label and one for the input. The label div contains a label element, plus markup for validators when necessary. Depending on the type of field, you'll see different levels of complexity for the input, which is contained in the div with a class of control. For simple fields like text or choice fields, you'll get simple inputs or select elements. Remember that in these cases, the actual input or select element will have an ID that matches the logical name of the column in Dataverse. Also keep in mind that adding form metadata, such as additional descriptions, may add additional markup. Again, try to write your JavaScript by making as few assumptions about the markup as possible. Don't assume things like the order of the elements, nesting of elements, or the type of elements unless absolutely necessary. You'll thank yourself in the future. In our next tip, we'll look in more details at one of the more complex field types, yes/no. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 241 on field markup on forms useful.